Rescue efforts are being hampered by the weather after magnitude 7.9 earthquake, and its strong aftershocks struck southwest Syria and southern Turkey, killing thousands and injuring many more. Bad weather is now impeding rescue efforts and aid delivery to the affected area. Overnight low temperatures in some places reached the freezing point, making things worse for those trapped under rubble or left homeless without food or supplies.
Toplamda 3419.
Severe weather conditions makes it difficult to transport aid to the regions. We stopped the movement of cars to and from Hatay, Kahramanmaraş and Adıyaman, except for relief and rescue vehicles.
The operation is challenging. Rescuers are working hard to remove victims from the rubble, while cold and rain are rocking outdoors. Many families in Kahramanmaraş gathered around bonfires in anticipation of assistance in the bitter weather conditions.
Our houses have been damaged. We cannot go inside now. We haven't eaten anything since morning. Our children are very hungry. May God protect all of us.
We will be cold here until morning, freezing, getting wet. We have no place to go, no place to stay. My God, we don't even have a bed.
Turkey witnessed huge material and human losses in this earthquake. According to Turkey's Disaster and Emergency Management Authority, 5,775 buildings had been destroyed in the quake, which was followed by 285 aftershocks. About 5,434 people were killed, and at least 20,426 people had been injured.